Hello everyone, we're here at the Electrify America in Deming, New Mexico, and we're going to do an EV charging site review. Initiating. Charger number 3. Let's go inside. Charging just started. These ABB units always take a long time to ramp up to full power. Ramping up. There's a look at the battery data. And on some ABB units, that noise starts when the output's above 140 kilowatts. And there's max power 300, about 305 amps. And yeah, so that's max power until the voltage increases. And then over here is a look at the EVSE info screen. Yeah, but this charger is supplying full power again. I was here yesterday and it was also working fine. Same with 300 and about 310 amps, or eventually 236 once the voltage rises a little bit. Now let's go outside and take a look at the chargers. And here you can see the chargers are located along the main entranceway to Walmart, so it can get quite busy trying to park at a charger. And there's a look at the 4 charging dispensers located in between the angled parking spots. Now coming over here to charger number 4, it outputs up to 175 kilowatts and both CCS handles are working. Here's the one I'm charging on, number 3, 228 kilowatts now, although only one of 2 CCS handles is working. And then over here's charger number 2, it's the other 350 kilowatt unit, it's still down, been down for about a week or 2. And then over here's charger number 1 with the only CHAdeMO plug and another CCS at 175 kilowatts. Both plugs are available. And there's a look at the spec label. These chargers were manufactured in December 2018 and installed here in about April 2019. So this site just recently turned 4 years old. But 3 out of 4 chargers are working here, and unit number 3 is still giving me full power. So that's good. It's about to hit the EV6's max speed of 235 kilowatts. So that's going to be pretty much it for this EV charging site review. There's a look at the peak charging speed and the battery data. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to get subscribed and check out other EV related videos on my channel. There'll be some EV road trip videos coming soon.